Hi everybody, welcome back to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today, let's talk about something so simple yet so powerful: how you breathe. Specifically, the difference between breathing through your nose versus your mouth. If you're someone who often breathes through your mouth, you are missing out in a big way on incredible health benefits of nasal breathing. When we breathe through our nose, we're using a system that's designed to optimize our health. First, the nose filters, warms, and humidifies the air we breathe, which protects our lungs, prevents irritation and infections. Nasal breathing also produces nitric oxide, a molecule that helps dilate blood vessels, improving oxygen delivery throughout the body and can even enhance immune function. One of the most amazing benefits of nasal breathing is how it improves oxygen efficiency. When you breathe through your nose, you slow down your breath, ultimately allowing your body to absorb more oxygen. This leads to better energy, improved endurance, and even sharper mental focus. Mouth breathing, on the other hand, can lead to shallow, inefficient breaths that may leave you feeling tired, stressed, or even anxious. Breathing through the nose also supports better sleep. It can reduce snoring, improve sleep apnea symptoms, and lead to deeper, more restorative rest. And here's a fascinating fact. Nasal breathing encourages proper tongue posture, which plays a role in maintaining the shape of our jaw in a way that makes us more attractive to others and even prevents orthodontic issues. Finally, for athletes or anyone who exercises, nasal breathing can enhance performance and recovery by improving carbon dioxide tolerance. This allows your muscles to work more efficiently and reduces fatigue. The bottom line: breathing through your nose is a simple, science-backed way to support your health, boost your energy, and even improve your sleep. Start by paying attention to your breath throughout the day, striving to keep your mouth shut. And tape your mouth during sleep, obviously unless you are on a CPAP machine. I can attest to all of these benefits, as I was an habitual mouth breather until I started being conscious of shutting my mouth and taping my lips at night beginning in 2022. You can see right here on my yearly Oura Ring stat how my average respiratory rate has progressively dropped from 2021 and 2022 until right now in 2025. Here is how I tape my mouth at night. So regarding the mouth taping, one thing I think is important is most typical tapes do have PFAS, so that's an endocrine disruptor. Oftentimes it'll be in the adhesive. We'll want to order a PFAS-free tape, and I got this right off of Amazon. My daughter told me about it. I think it's made from bamboo, but anyway, it's got a safe adhesive, and then it's really inexpensive, and I just take scissors and cut. I'll just sit down and cut like 20 or 30 narrow strips like this, and I keep these right in the bedside table drawer. And so when it's time to go to bed, or when I'm ready to kind of shut the light out, I just take out my tape, pull the back off, and it's just a little strip straight up and down. Wonderful. Thank you so much for watching, and please share this message with others so they can benefit too.